Could the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra be the most exciting tablet yet? Rumors are buzzing about its potential features and innovations for late 2026. What is Samsung planning that could redefine the premium Android tablet experience? If you're intrigued by the future of tablets, strap in. This could be a game changer. What could set the Tab S12 Ultra apart from the rest? Let's find out. The first thing that jumps out of every leak and rumor thread is the display. The Tab S12 Ultra is expected to flaunt a massive 14.6-inch 3K AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering all the smoothness you could want for productivity, media, and gaming. And yes, Samsung may even push for an anti-reflective coating that could dramatically improve outdoor visibility. A massive, vibrant display with ultra-smooth motion that feels alive. Under the hood, instead of playing it safe with last year's silicon, the Tab S12 Ultra might ship with a current generation flagship processor, with possibilities ranging from Samsung's own Exynos 2600 to a top-end Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 or even a MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus variant, depending on region and final decisions. Whichever chip it lands on, the goal is clear. Performance that doesn't just meet expectations, it demolishes them. And then there's the memory and storage configuration. Leaks hint at configurations up to 24 GB of RAM and a staggering 2 TB of onboard storage, with base models already starting at a generous 16 GB of RAM. If true, this tablet handles laptops' workloads effortlessly and smoothly. Rumors almost point to a 12,500 mAh battery, a serious upgrade over previous generations. Rumor sites and tipsters say this is a deliberate move to chase all-day productivity and video streaming without compromise. On the optics front, details are still fuzzy, but insiders suggest the setup could resemble the Galaxy Tab S11 series, with a 12-megapixel front camera and a 13-megapixel plus 8-megapixel rear camera array. For productivity and creativity fans, the S Pen remains a key feature, with leaks suggesting a dedicated S Pen slot on the keyboard cover. A Pro keyboard with trackpad support is anticipated alongside the tablet, featuring a key for AI functions. On the software side, Samsung is embracing AI with innovations like Gemini Live, text-to-image generation, an AI writing assistant, and an object eraser, aiming to expand the tablet's capabilities beyond content consumption. All indications point to a September-October 2026 launch, aligning with Samsung's usual release cycle, and excitement is building. Now, how does this compare to its predecessor, the Tab S11 Ultra? The S11 Ultra already set high standards with its 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, MediaTek Dimensity 940 Plus chipset, up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, and a battery that comfortably powered long days of work and play. But the S12 Ultra seems poised to leap ahead with more CPU options, a larger battery, higher RAM ceilings, and a storage upgrade that could hit 2 TB. That's not evolution, that's ambition. Thank you for tuning in. In a crowded tablet world where competitors chase specs, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra may be the one that rewrites the expectations. And right now, the leaks make it one of the most curious pieces of tech we've seen in years. What are your thoughts and expectations? Let us know in the comments below.